Cape Tribulation is located between two World Heritage Areas, the Great Barrier Reef and the Daintree National Park, and is approximately 140 kilometres north of Cairns. We can easily say it's like nowhere else on Earth. The oldest continuously surviving rainforest on the planet, with ancient forests dating back 120 million years, forming the perfect backdrop as it runs to the sea to be greeted by the unique Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world, fringing reef systems just metres from the beach to pristine reef systems only 25 minutes offshore. Located centrally to both is Ferntree Rainforest Lodge, the perfect place to explore the beauty of the region. There are so many activities to enjoy at Cape Tribulation, from exploring the Great Barrier Reef to venturing along the Cape coastline or the Bloomfield Track, or trekking the Daintree Rainforest with qualified and experienced guides. You can also enjoy sea kayaking, horse rides, exotic fruit tasting, exciting nocturnal rainforest walks, reef fishing, or just relax and indulge in a spa and massage. There really is so much to do in this diverse and exciting region. Ferntree Rainforest Lodge is a 3.5-star tropical paradise. Surrounded by magnificent gardens, the resort is alive with the magical sounds of the rainforest and provides the perfect tranquil base from where you can explore the spectacular wilderness areas that abound in Cape Tribulation. Ferntree Rainforest Lodge features 54 rooms in total, with 4 different room types: garden, poolside, standard and dorm rooms. Resort facilities also include 2 swimming pools, complimentary parking, a professional tour desk to handle all your tour bookings, self-cook kitchen, pool table, communal barbecue, safety deposit facilities, laundry facilities and a postal service. Cape Tribulation is situated between 2 World Heritage listed areas, the Daintree Rainforest and the Great Barrier Reef, so it's only natural that our resort restaurant has its menu designed to suit the surrounds. Cassowary Cafe is situated overlooking the main pool at Ferntree Rainforest Lodge. The cafe consists of 3 dining huts with outside deck built into the rainforest. The tropical style adds to the ambience and wonder of the lodge itself, while the cafe is casual, fun and relaxed. A delicious continental buffet selection is available for breakfast, while for dinner the menu offers a range of pastas, gourmet pizzas, grilled steaks, fish and chicken, as well as an extensive salad bar. Ferntree Rainforest Lodge has 2 bars, each located next to one of the resort's 2 pools. The Cassowary Cafe Bar is the right spot to enjoy a pre-dinner drink, while the Daintree Bar offers a lively atmosphere and is a great place to relax with old friends or make new ones.